4 placemats for only $2.99. Time to clean. It made it very easy just to trace it and then cut it. I love the way this turned out. This was only 99 cents at the 99-cent store. We have 2 refrigerators in our house, so he is working on the second refrigerator and he's doing his measurements. Now this refrigerator is the one that we use to place all of our food, and the one with the red lining, that's the one we use to place all of our drinks. I have 5 kids, plus the neighbor kids are here all the time, so if they spill anything on this, it's going to be such an easier cleanup. Very happy how this turned out. Now it's time to place all the food back inside. Thank you, Pinterest, so much for being so inspirational and giving me the idea to redo my refrigerator. We are so happy with the cleanness, and it's so much easier to keep everything organized. Thanks, Pinterest. I really do appreciate you.